What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Binance app, then you have to log in. After logging in, you have to click on wallet, then you have to click on deposit option here. After that, what you need to do, you have to click on search and you have to search for USDT, then you have to click on this option. After that, you have to choose the network that you are using to transfer the coin. So you have to scroll a little bit and find the network Toncoin. After that, you have to copy the wallet address here, deposit address. As you can see, you have to copy this wallet address and you have to go back. Then you have to open up the Tonkeeper app. So after opening the Tonkeeper app, you have to click on send. Then you have to paste the wallet address that you just have copied. Then you have to click on continue. After that, you have to click on this option that you want to transfer USDT. You have to click on this, then you have to select the USDT currency here. After that, you have to put the amount that you want to transfer and click on continue, and your amount will be transferred from your Tonkeeper wallet to Binance wallet. So this is how you can transfer to USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance app. And I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.